What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. Today we're going to be taking a trade right now on YouTube, and then we're going to go to bed. We're going to get up, we're going to do some behind the scenes of the car project, and I'm going to talk to you guys about something special that I'm working on. I'm kind of trying to craft this entire outline for you, but we're going to kind of break it down in this video, and that's also to be included on the channel as well. Hopefully we have some progress with the car. I know we're waiting on parts and we got a bunch of stuff ordered, so I'm going to show you that on this video, and then you guys will have to see it later if you're only watching the car series. So I'm going to show you this trade that we're about to get put into. Alright, so as you can see, we got our EUR FX as usual. We originally was on live and we took shorts. We got stopped out pretty quickly because we inversed the fair value gap that we entered off of. Price ended up coming up and sweeping out these highs, and then we came down to this breaker block, which we're about to take a trade on, and our order just got filled because we had it at the bottom of this fair value gap. And so this is an hourly fair value gap, and so now we're going to see if we can target these highs right up here. So I'm probably about to go to bed and let this thing play out and then catch up with you guys in the morning. But a pretty good trade nonetheless. Pretty good stop loss right under these lows here. Honestly, we probably could have been more conservative with the stop loss, but I think we'll let it ride. I mean, there's a 2.4 anyways, so. Alright guys, so we did get our trade. Let me show you exactly what happened, and then we got some stuff to do, and I actually got some stuff to show you that arrived this morning, so that's gonna be really cool. So as you can see, we literally came down. Like I said, we took that entry on the breaker block. We came down and actually tapped in a couple times, and then we ended up going to our TP, which is up here. Already posted the win in the Discord, up 2,093 for the day. Actually 2,500, because we did short down somewhere earlier during the live. But if you guys haven't, it'll be in the description. We're gonna have a free section in the Discord and a gold section in the Discord, and I'm really trying to build it. I think we've got like 40 something people in here active now, and so it's just great. Just a whole lot of trading stuff, a whole lot of things that we're doing. We're talking about investments, we're talking about crypto, we're talking about Forex. Now the gold section will be only about futures, Forex futures. So super dope to dive in with everybody. We'll be doing live calls and stuff like that, stuff that I won't be posting on YouTube, stuff that'll be exclusive to my WAP page, and obviously the Discord. So that's one cool thing I want to do. I'll probably show you about the other thing that I'm talking about, but I'm hold that to the end of the video because we have got to go pick Mady up, and I've got to show you some of the things that Mady ordered, her and I ordered as came in. So without further ado, let's go see. Alright guys, so we got a couple packages for Maddie's car. I think both of these might be the headlights. I'm not sure what this one is, but we're gonna wait for her to open them up. I'm about to go grab her, and then we're gonna go to the mall and do some stuff today. And I'll probably bring you guys with me for some of it. And then we'll come back, open this up, see how it goes, see how the stuff looks, and then kind of like put it up to the car and kind of get an idea of it being back together again, because I know she's ready. I'm ready to get my car figured out, because if you guys been watching the car build, actually this video might come out before the video for it, but my car got hit by a tree, and so not fun. I'll show you guys a little bit. I was at work, a car came down on it, and yeah, it basically took a huge dent. So like I said, not very fun, but it is what it is. So got her stuff. Oh yeah. Are you excited? Where did you go?
I said I was going to get something.
Are you excited to open it?
Yeah, I don't know where you went, but yeah.
So she's excited.
I'm looking for a device that I can open things with.
I have one right here.
Oh.
I literally told you.
Sorry guys.
We got a mess out here. If you guys haven't seen the car video, we literally took off most of all the suspension, and we got new suspension coming. We still got to take this top section off for the car video, but we're going to open this on the vlog. That way you guys have to watch these.
Oh,
I think we might have... No, the neighbor's got a different package. Anyways.
I got excited for something.
Alright, so do you want to...
I purchased this too. Nice snack here. Which one? The top one?
Yeah, we'll open the top one first. You gotta be careful with this. I think this is the airbag.
It says this side up. Oh, is it gonna like explode on me?
Ask that one more time.
No.
She asked if the airbag was going to explode on her.
You said I needed
yes,
to be
when
careful.
you open the box, it's going to explode.
Stop.
Like party confetti.
You said I needed to be careful. They're gonna like...
Guys, I do not trust her opening a box with a knife.
Stop. I can do it. Oh, shoot.
Alright. No.
She's gotta get
No.
wrapped. She has to get
It doesn't
wrapped.
matter.
It's
Just
fine.
hand it to me.
Guys,
Hand it.
Tell him it's okay.
Guys, someone comment down below. Please don't sit stuff on your paint.
Oh, it's pink! Guys, it's pink!
No,
This-
it's black.
What a party pooper. You're not even looking at what you're recording. I'm a better camera woman than you.
I'm literally watching.
This says it is a airbag.
Well, I know it's an airbag.
I assume for my underside.
So this is the knee airbag. It's gonna be the one that goes right under there. That blew out. So we ordered two. We ordered the seat. Well, we ordered that airbag down there. We ordered the steering wheel airbag that's not here yet, and then the seat belt. Because what happens is the seat belt mechanism permanently like closes to hold you in place, and then when you undo it, it's no good. So you have to replace the seat belt after an accident. Please
This is lame. Okay,
don't mess that up.
Look.
So let's look at the seat belt real.
Look, wait a second. Your address is on there.
Oh,
Wait a second.
he's back.
Who?
Amazon guy.
You can't pop them. Who makes it like this? This is bull.
Oh, what kind of junk is that?
bull.
All right. Anyways,
Hold on, wait.
set this down here.
Yeah, no. It just withheld my weight. This is a lie. This is bull. It says it's from Europe. So maybe that's why. Maybe they are very
No.
protectable over there. It says made in Europe. Nope. Sorry. That actually says
All right, guys.
number for Europe.
We'll be back.
the number for Europe? Why is there...
All right. Now that we can't dox ourselves,
Look
babe,
at
go ahead and open up all this paper. Imagine it's just paper.
I would cry.
They literally packed this so well, though.
They really look at this.
Shout out to some eBay sellers. So these are like refurbished OEM headlights. We really liked the ones that she had. So we decided to go back with these. We actually got a pretty decent deal on them. Set it right up here. Put it up here.
Is this the right way?
Yeah, I'll hold it.
Okay.
And then you can take the part of the wrap off here.
I feel like you're not even recording.
I am. Here, do it from the...
Hello.
Oh, yeah.
They look good. They look good.
Oh, yeah.
I think.
So, bring it over here, and we'll compare it to the one that you have now. I mean, the ones that you have now, actually, I think are completely fine.
No, not the other one.
But the lens is a little clearer. Move back away some. Yeah, these are just as clear. We'll
Yeah,
probably
the
do.
other one is ruined, so...
What we'll probably do, since this is a little bit nicer, it's brand new, fully sealed and everything. We're gonna take this one out.
Parts broke off on me.
We're gonna take this one. No, this one's fine. We're gonna take this one out and we're gonna sell it.
But the other one is in the corner over there.
Because literally, I guarantee we could probably sell this one and make we probably can make the cost of what it costs to get these two together. So.
Well, I do not know, guys. I don't know.
So awesome. We're gonna get I'm gonna bring the other one over here and I'll have her open this up and I'll show you the comparison of why we actually got new headlights. All right, so unwrap it.
Oh, sorry. Okay.
I'll help you
No,
peel
I
it.
got it.
What do you mean?
Oh, multi-layered.
Oh yeah.
Look how nice and put together.
So look how nice this is. Hold it down to the old one.
She a little busted up.
Much nicer, much cleaner. So, actually, is that reflector darker than this one?
What?
Here, put it in the light over here.
What? No?
No, it's just where the light's
Who's
hitting it.
tripping?
Move it closer out here to the light. Oh no, it's just where the light's hitting it. It looks so much darker, like right here, than that one does. But anyways, yeah, this one took quite a bit of damage to it.
That's the one that got hit.
So
Obviously.
we're gonna replace the HIDs in it because they were also going out. That way we can put them in before we put it all back together. We'll just get rid of this one. Yeet. And then stuff that back in there and we'll be good. We'll probably end up using these boxes again to sell
Parts.
parts and this one. Because this one's pretty good.
The only thing is,
But-
they just said it was not broken. It is. Let me show you guys.
Okay, the top clip.
Madison
The top
here.
clip
No,
is broke on
There's
it.
another spot. This is car mechanic Mady. Okay, so if you look right here, there appears to have been a breakage right there, and I personally would not buy a headlight like that.
Okay, so we're gonna replace
Jason
this,
doesn't care.
and then we'll list it with the damage that it has, and then.
Is.
But look,
And
it's
then I
in.
should
It's
send the
in
other
there.
one.
It's in there solid.
I'm just kidding, guys. I'm not a scammer.
No. Seriously?
Yeah, I said I should have said. I said I should have said as is and send the other one, but I'm not a scammer, so I wouldn't do that. I promise, guys, that's not what we're gonna do.
Okay.
Jason wouldn't let me do that.
No.
That is an actual wouldn't let me. He left part of my suspension, guys. It's
Yeah, we gotta take this
Hang
part
on.
off, but that'll be okay.
and then also I made this fully silver with my wrench kit.
Yeah,
because
she
that's
ruined.
the
She
only
ruined the
thing-
coils on that thing.
That is
but
the only thing that I'm gonna ever be able to use my wrench for.
it's also busted, so no big deal.
And I safely also removed the rest of what was left of my headlight that Jason did not remove. But it was only because he was screaming at the suspension and couldn't get it
Yeah,
off.
we had quite an
So,
issue getting that.
There they are.
This guy right here off. The strut, I believe, with the lowering spring on it, I think it's good. I don't think it's bent or nothing, so we're probably just going to reuse that. These calipers we're going to reuse. A lot of this stuff we'll reuse, and you guys will see this if you follow the car video. You guys better be watching the car series because,
Going through too much.
yeah, we're going through
Too
quite a bit
much
here.
for you guys. Oh, hello.
Hello. So, that's what it was looking like today. We'll probably actually have more stuff coming this week, and I'll probably vlog it as well.
There's so much stuff. Looking at it from back here.
Yeah, it's just so much paper. It's really not that much stuff. It's just a lot of paper. And I'm excited to reveal the wheels for this thing too, but I'm going to save that for a video on the car series.
I picked them out all by myself.
Should we give them a sneak peek of them on here?
What, like
Like what they look like?
a sneak peek? I mean, maybe. My only fear is that they get here and I decide that I don't think they would look good on the car. But everybody's been telling me they will. So what's y'all's opinion?
So this is them.
Like, I think. Let me see them. Oh yeah, that is them. I think they would look sick on my car. For those of you who don't know, my car has a name. I don't know if you know that. But Jason's car also has a name, but I don't know if they know that.
So this is Bailey.
This is Vivi. I named her, so don't hate on my
Vivi
car's name.
hasn't been around. She doesn't
even have a tag, guys. If you look, it was a paper tag the day that she got hit, and I ripped it off because I was
Shout out HBI Auto.
best car ever. They're also selling another A6. It's a 2019. Right?
Great car dealership. I wish I could find the car that I told you guys about in the beginning of the video. That's probably going to be her brother. She wants it to be a girl car. I think it's a
should
boy
be.
car.
No,
I
don't
think it
know.
should be
Wait
named.
till I get in it.
I think it should be named
when I ride
Tony.
in it, I can
Personally,
tell you. We are not naming that car Tony. Period. We're not naming it Tony.
we'll let you guys be the decider.
Decider. They're not deciding that the car's name is Tony.
No, they can decide on the car's gender.
Oh, it's a girl.
Yeah. Anyway, so
Bailey looks like a guy.
hell
named
no,
that girl?
hell no, she doesn't.
She does.
No,
She does.
no.
At heart. Oh,
Yeah, literally part of the wrap is on the wheel.
I know. That's from you.
No, I think that's from you
It
driving.
was not. How would I have ever?
But no, actually, this did get dented a lot more from that tree.
Guys, do you see that?
So we'll need a new hood too.
Unstable. Like me. Just kidding.
You're crazy.
I know. Okay, I thought I could see myself, but I can't. Inspector Madison here. First of all, these are two different, completely different headlights.
Yeah, I think they said that's the wrong one.
This headlight, first of all, we have a gap of about this much, and in this one, our gap's about this
We have
big.
mounts on that one too.
Second of all, mounts, no mounts, dots. That's what made me notice it. This little lens, I don't know if the camera, it does.
Yeah, it
pick
does.
Has dots on it, and I was like, wait a second, this one down here, nor that one has dots, and then I was like, wait a minute, this one has a big line, big line. This does not. So these are the correct ones. This one is because it's the same thing. I don't know what just happened, but that is not going to work because that is not my headlight. So now I have two
This looks almost like a.
different headlights.
I guess that's an Audi headlight, but
It is in fact. It is in fact. because
it's
it says
not the
so, but it's
same.
not the right one.
kind.
And didn't we buy these from the same people?
Yeah, this came from the same person.
Okay, so I
so
guess maybe they just accidentally.
somebody
put
should
the
have
wrong headlight.
known, especially when they had the same order in for two headlights of each side, that that's the side we needed.
It's okay. We will get it sent back, shipped back.
Actually, I'm glad this came early too, because
Order a new headlight. But that is super annoying. Kind of sucks, but it's okay. So, kudos to me.
Let's go look on the computer and see.
I'm sweating out here, man.
Yeah, it's hot. It's like 90 something degrees out here. It's humid here in the Carolinas.
Yeah,
I know Miami's not even this bad. Miami
is dry humidity. This is like wet humidity, I feel like. But I don't know.
All right, well, let's go in here and we'll look.
Let's try to figure this out, guys.
And then we'll, I guess, package this back up to be sent back.
But I'm keeping this one.
All right, so basically what we were able to do is we found another one that's basically new for the driver's side, and we decided to return both of them. So we got a refund back for the one that's wrong and the other one. And so basically that's going to allow us to get almost $1,000 back and then spend $400 or $500, I think, for this one right here, and we're going to order it. It's going to be $650. So we're to save like $400 by doing this, and we'll put those towards the bulbs, and that way we'll still be like, because the bulbs will be about $200, and that way we'll be like under $200, or $200 less. Well, whatever. Well, $200 more. I don't know how I was trying to say that, but Mady said that's a good idea, and that's fine, because like I said, that passenger side looks fine. Like, it's got minimal wear on it, and you know, the side that we're buying is used, but it's also nice. It has minimal wear. I'll show you one more time on it. I'll pull it in closer. Like, you can see on the lens, like, it's really not that bad. And so it'll probably be about as good as the one that we have on the passenger side. And then we can, like I said, use that $200 to get the bulbs, and then we'll have $200 left to go towards, you know, something else in the car. So that's what we're gonna do. It was free to send both headlights back, so that's what we're gonna do. We'll pack them back up and send them, and then yeah, wait for that one to come in. Alright guys, so it's been a long weekend, and we're gonna wrap this vlog up. It's been a little choppy. I'm sorry, we had a lot going on. Me and Mady ended up going to a wedding yesterday, which was Saturday, so we didn't film anything yesterday. I was super tired. I just got home like maybe 30 minutes ago, so around 8 a.m. because I had work, so I worked third shift. Staying pretty busy. I did get some stuff kind of in the process for that business model I was talking about in the beginning of the video. Basically what it is, and I'll make a video separate but explaining a little bit more in depth, but it's what I'm calling it is an SIS model, which stands for social influencer scaling. And all it is basically you take a social influencer who already has some sort of followers, you look over all the different channels, sales channels, advertising channels, everything that they're doing, whether it may be affiliate links, whether it may be discords, paid discords, WAP channels, stuff like that, and you basically optimize, you know, whatever their niche is, and target it towards their followers to allow their followers to be conversions into money. So basically you're trying to optimize the followers that they already have to be making them more money than what they already are. So let's say you got, you know, you have a WAP course and you have a Discord. Okay, how can we better aim, you know, the Discord users to come to WAP as well, or aim, you know, the new followers to come to both, right? So how can we bring them over and convert them into an actual paying customer of that influencer, rather than just a follower and someone who, you know, likes, comments, and engages with their content. So that's one thing I want to work on. But my niche is basically just trading for right now, because I know that industry, I know that like area, and I'm doing the same thing with my brand. I've helped out a couple other brands and stuff like that. So that's one thing I'd like to do, because there's a lot of money being made and stuff like that. And one thing that is very interesting about it is you can do both. You can make money from your followers, but not just because you're making money, right? You're actually giving them real content, you're giving them real, you know, value in what they're paying for, but you're still optimizing, you know, your time to make the most money that you can, right, with the resources and stuff that you have available. So that's kind of what we're focusing on. Obviously we have a lot going on. I just got the business bank and everything set up for that. I got my own WAP set up for my Discord. It's going to give you exclusive access to the Gold Network, which is basically, it's going to be a network of people who are very determined traders. We have plenty of stuff in the free section. All that's in the description below. You can join as well. If you want to join the WAP, it's going to be $9.99 a month starting out. It's going to cover most of everything. We're going to do live calls. We're going to do Q&A. We're going to do all kind of things. And it's all going to be like Forex futures related. Because I don't think there's any other content creator out there trying to build a platform around Forex futures, specifically EUR FXFT. So that's kind of what I want to do and get into. So I really hope you guys enjoy this kind of stuff, enjoy these kind of vlogs. We'll be doing a lot more. We got more car parts coming, which is awesome. We got a bunch of stuff. The whole car thing with what we're going to do with Bailey, which is my BMW, that's in the works. As soon as I know something final, I'm going to make a video and bring it to you guys, but I don't want to get my hopes up and your hopes up, so I'm kind of just keeping it, gatekeeping it right now, because I don't know yet how it's going to work out, but hopefully it'll go good. But this has been a long one. I appreciate everybody watching, but if you want to, like, comment, subscribe, do all that stuff. Down below, Discord link, you can join that as well. Follow my TikTok. I'm going to start posting. I got to start posting a lot more on there. I really have been so, non-consistent. It's not even funny. I'll post, 3 a day for, 4 days, and that's it for, 2 weeks, and I'll come back, and it's dude, seriously get a grip. And it's been the same with YouTube. I haven't posted a YouTube video in, 5 days. I'm kind of trying to do, one a week, and then move up, and then maybe, one vlog a week, one car video a week. And then once we get done with her car, we'll have, hopefully, some more car content. Bailey's going to get started. We're going to start working on her, so should be real fun. But I'm going to wrap it up here, guys. I'm literally going to start probably another vlog today. That way I can get this one out to you guys probably by Monday. My normal upload time, 6 p.m. Eastern. And then I can probably get this one to you guys by Friday, hopefully. Maybe earlier than that. It'd be super sweet to do that. But this is going to be the 3rd week going on live, and it's just going to be a great week. It's going to be a great week. So I look forward to everybody. And without further ado, guys, peace.